Welcome. Welcome to Fa Ahmad Arabic class. Me, Fa Ahmad Arabic coach. Continue to spoken Arabic series. This is lesson number 33. And I hope you might have watched from lesson number 1 till lesson number 32. Before I begin, I would like to inform if anyone wants to read, write Arabic, please visit my channel Fa Ahmad Arabic class and get all videos in playlist with name of foundation course. And also, I would like to inform if anyone wants to start speaking Arabic, to learn speaking Arabic in very easy way, okay, to as a like an Arabic speak. So please uh, visit my channel Fa Ahmad Arabic class and get all videos in playlist with name of Arabic series. Okay, and I would like to request please like, share, and subscribe my channel Fa Ahmad Arabic class. Let's begin. Let's begin. And in this lesson, we will learn common action words. Okay. So first action word, it is most common in spoken Arabic in daily conversation. So word is speak. Speak word you can say kalam, kalam, or you can say kallim. Kallim. Kalam or kallim. But kalam word is most common. And let's see in sentence. Okay, let's practice with sentence. So suppose I speak Arabic. Simple sentence. Suppose I speak Arabic. Say simple. Ana kalam Arabi. Simple. Ana kalam Arabi. Ana kalam Arabi. I speak Arabic. Ana kalam Arabi. You speak English. You speak you speak English. Okay. Anta kalam. Anta. Anta kalam. Anta kalam inglesi. In. Ke. Lazy. Repeat it. Anta kalam inglesi. You speak English. So ana kalam Arabi. Ana kalam Arabi. I speak Arabic. Anta kalam inglesi. And you speak English. Okay. And suppose what are you speaking? Okay. What are you speaking? Okay. What are you speaking? So what are you speaking? So you can say ish, right? Ish kalam, ish anta kalam, ish anta, ish anta kalam. Okay. Ish anta kalam. What are you speaking? What are you speaking? Ish anta kalam. Ish anta kalam. What are you speaking? Okay. And suppose I speak to my friend, right? I speak to my friend. So you can say ana kalam sadiki, ana kalam sadiki, ana kalam sadiki. I speak to my friend, ana kalam sadiki. Okay. He is speaking right. He is speaking right. Okay. Huwa kalam sahih. Huwa kalam sahih. Okay. And he is speaking perfect. Okay. He is speaking perfect. Huwa kalam mazboot. Okay. Sahi, you can say huwa kalam sahi, and he is speaking right, or you can say huwa kalam seedha. Huwa kalam seedha. And he is speaking perfect. Huwa kalam mazboot. And he is speaking excellent. Huwa kalam mumtaz. And he is speaking 100%. Huwa kalam miya miya. Huwa kalam miya miya. Okay. Okay. So suppose I'm talking to boss. I'm speaking to boss. I'm speaking to boss. So ana kalam mudir. أنا كلام مدير. Whom or to whom are you speaking? To whom are you? To whom are you speaking? Right? To whom are you speaking? Say, to whom are you speaking? So, to whom are you speaking? Say, to whom are you speaking? So, say, mean. مين أنت كلام. مين أنت. مين أنت كلام. مين أنت كلام. Okay. I'm speaking to my family. Right? So, I'm speaking to my family. I am speaking to my family. My family. My family. Say, أنا كلام. أنا كلام عائلتي. عائلة. أنا كلام عائلتي. عائلتي. أنا كلام عائلتي. أنا كلام بابا. I'm speaking to dad. أنا كلام ماما. I'm speaking to mom. أنا كلام أخو. I'm speaking to friend. So kalam speaking is very common. I'm speaking. Okay. Okay. So suppose don't speak. Now say don't speak. Do not speak. Do not speak. Okay, don't speak like that. Okay, like that. Don't speak like they're saying Arabic. Okay. ما في أنت. Okay. أنت ما. Okay. ما في أنت كلام. ما في. ما في أنت كلام. ما في أنت كلام. ما في أنت كلام غلط. غلط. ما في أنت كلام. ما في أنت كلام غلط. يا ما في أنت كلام كده. Is it كده? Like that. كده. Okay. So ما في أنت كلام. يا أنت ما في كلام. You can say ما في أنت كلام يا أنت ما في كلام. Simple. أنت ما في كلام. Okay. أنت ما في كلام. أنت ما في كلام كده. Don't speak like that. Okay. أنت ما في كلام كده. أنت ما في كلام كده. Okay. Yeah. So كلام. Okay. Suppose speak to boss. Speak to boss. Say أنت كلام. أنت كلام مدير. أنت كلام مدير. Speak to boss. أنت كلام مدير. كلام مدير. Okay, so كلام. So we have seen, okay, and we have used kalam word in different way, in different sentences. And I hope you might have understood, right? Now you can practice with word speak in different way, on different situation, right? And other word is kallim. So kallim like kalam. So you can use kallim or you can use kalam. Suppose I'm speaking Arabic. I'm speaking Arabic. I am speaking Arabic. So you can use this word ana kallim. Ana kallim. Ana kallim Arabic. Ana kallim Arabic. Okay. So kalam and kallim same, but kalam is most common and most easy to use. Okay. So you can say kallim also, or you can say kalam also. So we have seen, we have practiced, okay, in different way on different situation. So you can use it. Okay, you can use it. Okay, now thanks for watching. We'll see you in next class. So I would like to request, please like, share, and subscribe my channel Fa Ahmad Arabic class. We'll see you in next class. مع السلامة. مع السلامة. Bye. إلى اللقاء. See you. نهارك سعيد. Have a nice day. نهارك سعيد. Have a nice day. شكرا. نهارك سعيد.